Previously on Evelyn and the people them man.
No, I droid. You know, she not listen to me. She never did want to listen to me. And darling, I finally get to see you again. At last. Now I can die in peace.
Oh no, we're losing. He passed away. No, Mr. Pierce passed away. No. And you see the Benz, I him give me, and enough more him promise me, but him wife, she just shake up everything. She shake it up. That woman, you see.
We have a new member with us here today. Brian. You mean to tell me you're here because you almost cheated on your girlfriend? Now I'm in the Walmart parking lot eating strange men groceries. Anyway, Brian, you need to get the hell out of here. Yeah. I'm sorry, Brian, but it looks like you need to go.
I can help you out with your problem.
Which problem is that?
Evelyn,
Go on.
we got a way to get revenge.
Who's we? Hi, hello. How may I help you?
Hi, my name is Evelyn Gooden, and I'm going door to door taking a census.
Oh, okay.
Yes, first question. Are you married?
Yes, I've been married for over 14 years.
Good, good, good. And where's your wife now?
Oh, she's at work.
Perfect.
Excuse me?
I mean, do you mind if I come in and take the rest of this poll?
Okay. I'm fine with that.
Oi, wait! I ramp it in a ramp! I ramp it in a ramp! Oi, no kill me!
Whore!
Sabe, yo me sabe.
Oh yeah, if I ever see you near my husband again, I'll murderize you, you hear me? I'll murderize you.
Yes, good
Music on the track.
good girl. Hey.
See me like it rough, rough. Gripping on me neck, pull out me ear, get the handcuff, cuff. With the people them man, now you know, see me don't give a fuck, fuck. Cause you know it well tight and the man them say it fuck. If you are no girl, me not trouble you. Exactly.
Yes, goody. Then the boy tell me say, he maga leave him wife for me. And guess what me do, goody? Me block him number. Hey, hey. Wait, hold on, goody. Look like money I call me. Hold on. Hey, Evelyn, it's your girl, DJ Cleavage, we the press. Goody, me know say you not pronounce your name every time you call. Alright. Okay, Goody, so may I help you? I was wondering if you still do bachelor parties. Oh, you mean if me still do bachelor parties? That coming like Disney World to me. Well, get ready to do another one. Okay, Goody, just tell me who, what, when, where, and we know why already. To make that money. Okay, she's all down for the bachelor party. Step 1 is already in process. Now let's get this started.
Wow, I can't believe this is happening. What did I do to deserve this?
Listen, you hate Ireland as much as we hate Ireland, so we all need to come together and be one.
Makes sense to me, but tell me one thing. Why do you guys hate Ireland so much?
Well, we all used to get money together, scamming these niggas, but that girl Evelyn, she got greedy, keeping all the niggas to herself. Listen, you wanna get down to it, or you wanna talk all night? How dumb are you?
Alright. You don't have to tell me twice.
Hey baby, love coming at you. So you better be prepared.
Oh no, are you okay?
Wow, you saved my life. I must repay this kindness.
No, that's okay.
Please, I insist. At least let me take you out to get a cup of coffee.
Well, I guess coffee wouldn't hurt.
Newfound love is like a brand new toy. It fills you up. You wanna burst with joy. When
Yo, I dried. Pull up, 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 pull up. I tried. You see this one? She did have 8 feet. No, she literally did have 8 feet. I mean, her feet did hairy and big like a ape, like a monkey. Plus, you know the motto already. Find them, fool them, friend them, fuck them, and get them. Marcus! Yes, Tron Vector. Did you locate Evelyn? Yes, Tron Vector. I found Evelyn, but me never get a chance to give her the message. Good, good. I decided to go to Earth and tell her the message myself.
Me love how Missy mash up the VMAs. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's heavy, man, flip it, money, them up. It's heavy, man, flip it, money, them up.
Yes, honey. I'll be home soon to groceries. I'm just here checking her out. Checking out. I gotta go. I'll call you back soon. Bye.
Excuse me, do you mind if I cut in front of you? I only have one item. It is a bottle of champagne that I'm going to drink all by myself.
You don't have to drink by yourself. I'll go home and drink with you.
Who said me want you at my house?
Oh, I'm sorry. I misread that.
No, what me I say is we don't have to go to my house cause my car right outside.
Oh.
Exactly.
Excuse me, do you mind if I eat your guys' groceries?